go to this interactive website, you should pull it up and it would look something like this with a double cone. I want you to play around with some of the different shapes. So probably cone, cylinder, pyramid, and prism are the most important ones. So let's say, for example, you pick cone. This is obviously an image of a cone. And this here is what the cross section looks like if the cone was cut at this angle as it's shown on the picture. So what I want you to do is play around with some of these. So you can rotate your slice around and see what the cross section would look like if you were to move it. So the closer you get to perpendicular to the base, it looks like a parabola. And then as it gets parallel to the base, it looks like what kind of shape. You can continue playing around with it and go the opposite direction. I also want you to see what happens when you move the slice. So moving it higher and lower on the figure. And then what happens if you change your radius? So just play around with some of these shapes and see what patterns you can recognize.